Hey there, I'm Mr. Larry, and I just got this box in the mail from Brother in honor of National Craft Month. So we're gonna open it up and check out what's inside. And happy National Craft Month! Y'all are probably familiar with my own personal little Brother sewing studio and Brother the brand itself. I mean, they've been around for over 100 years. Brother's a brand that I've used my entire crafting career and one that I really aspire to work with. So this is the next best thing. They told me a couple of the things I should be expecting in the mail, but like, ask me what I have for breakfast. Yeah. How does it feel to be popular, knowing all the fans adore you? How does it feel? How does it feel?
Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Miss Thane got some stuff in here. Happy National Craft Month. We're celebrating by tapping into one of our favorite nostalgic crafts, scrapbooking. Okay, inside this box you'll find everything you need to craft and relax, including Brother Colara and Brother P-Touch Embellish Elite, which are perfect for all your scrapbooking dreams with quick print photos, custom labels, and ribbons. Okay, cool. What is this? What is this? Y'all, they know my favorite color. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Magnesium and adaptogen infused sparkling water. Fancy. Ah! Stickers! Wait, what is this thing? It's a memory book. That's precious. Let me get my face on there. And I'm wearing the same exact shirt right now. Barefoot Dreams. Oh, and it's got a little artist palette on there. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Now these. Do y'all remember the days where we had those little tiny cameras that could take little tiny pictures and then make them into stickers? This is the return of that technology. And then we also have a printer that allows us to print on ribbon and tape. And then it looks like there are some cartridges. Y'all, I can't believe they hooked me up with some Jelly Roll pens. I feel like there's a vibe here that's taking me back to high school, and I'm not mad about that. Not to mention these amazing printers that I just cannot wait to get into. And you can do it from your phone. This is so cool. Thank you so much, brother. Many of you don't know, but I used to teach scrapbooking when I was in college. I worked at a coffee shop / scrapbook supply store. And part of my duties when I wasn't being a barista was teaching scrapbook classes to people. So I haven't done it in a while, but I do think it can be a lot of fun, especially with tools like these. So stay tuned for some scrapbooking from Mr. Larry, and stay tuned for more during our National Craft Month. And stay creative and stay crafty.